Have you heard of the global shortage to fill cybersecurity jobs? What about Africa becoming the source for global cybersecurity professionals? Recent cyber attacks on businesses have included ransomware, phishing emails, and supply chain attacks. To gain perspective on global cyber events, where should you start? Krafo Systems has the answer. Presenting the Cybersecurity Capacity Building Course, a program designed specifically for you, the African entrepreneur, the global citizen, and the smart thinker interested in cybersecurity. This 8-week instructor-led course introduces, defines, and provides the call to action to defend Africa's cyber ecosystem. Learn from experts in the field as we discuss actual cyber incidents, entry-level security principles for certification, and research topics for a strong defense. Upon completion, you will form a cybersecurity mindset. Let's connect and protect. The mind first. Sign up now.